Hi, it's Barry. Welcome back to my channel. I want to show you this order that I just received from Cloth and Paper and how I saved $74 to get it. So before I explain how I saved the $74 on this order and show you what I got, I want to remind you that I've been doing giveaways on all of my videos, and I'm going to make it extra special today because we have Christmas coming right up. Stay tuned to the end of this short video and I'll have the details on how to enter. These were basically the things that I needed to get my end of year setup ready after the Black Friday sale. These are the things that I did not order on Black Friday, but I knew I needed. And let me show you what that includes, and then I'll explain how I paid for it. So I do my weekly planning in my mini HP, and I needed, obviously, a full year of the horizontal weeklies, and these cost, I think, $34.95. So that's one thing that I got. I also got 2 pens. I received this one in a box, the M&G exam pen, and I absolutely love this. It is so smooth here. It feels really nice when you're writing, and it writes really well, and I like the fact that it has silver trim on it. I also got the Sarasa Mark-On pen because this will write on transparency and on regular paper. So I do, of course, get it in the 0.4. You can also get it in a larger point size, but I think you all know I like the skinny ones. I haven't used this one yet, so I'll be reporting back on that. I absolutely love that everything's coming in one of these bags now, and we don't have that extra black insert, which also has made some marks on things on our monthlies, and it's just really exciting to get it in this. I actually did use this for the inner wrapping on some Christmas presents because I've been accumulating them. What was really new and exciting is this, and you've seen Ashley show something about this on Instagram, but I hadn't gotten one in person yet. So instead of having the plastic bag that they put your receipt and the really small items in, they're now using this, and it says to keep and the CP, and I love that it's gray. And there's room in here to put things. But let me show you something really cool about this. So if you were one of the people that was lucky enough to snag one of these CP Petite folios, the leather folios, they came in 2 colors. I, of course, had to pick up the black in addition. And one thing you'll notice is that you have this pocket here. This folder fits perfectly inside that pocket. It also gives the leather cover some stability. A lot of the stickers that I use fit in there perfectly, and you can also put some page flags and sticky notes and have it right with your planner. Now, of course, this is going to fit in any other planners we have, and I can't wait to get more of these because I think this is going to also be really good for organization, so I'm excited about that. If you haven't tried the page pins yet, you've really got to get them. Don't forget they can be cut so that you can use them. For example, I made a mistake in something in my planner, and I cut off part of one of the black ones to be able to cover it up. But you can also use it to mark your page. You can use it to time block, all kinds of things. And what's really nice is it does come on this little bit of plastic so you can pull that off the backing and stick it right in your planner. I think you've seen how I've used these before. I use either the full circle flags or the semicircle sticky notes in the transparent. Sometimes I use these as dividers, and I was running low, so I needed another one. And in terms of this new clip is really perfect. I absolutely love that it matches completely to the new CP folio. To me, And I don't know how well you can see it in here with my lighting today. It just looks like it was intentionally part of this planner. And I needed to pick up another one. To be honest, I have several of these and I'll probably be purchasing more because I thought they were going to be bulky and they're not at all bulky. And I really think I want one on all of my planners that go with the black. They also come in fossil. If you recently saw my video of how I'm using my new Monogram Eclipse desk agenda, I decided to use this overview tab, which we received in a sub box, and then luckily we had the subscriber exclusives that you could order on the site, and I've gotten this for almost all of my planners because I really enjoy it with the white writing, very minimal. So what I have done here is I have an area for reflection, and then I have my year's overview. So I needed the 2023. And I use this for managing my goals on technology and marketing. And it's all kept in this planner. And I have used this insert every year for about 4 years now. It's very helpful because it's divided by quarters and then by month. You know those wonderful Lux Bucks that we earn? I saved them for quite a while. I admit I have a habit and I do order a lot of C&P stuff, no question about it. Well, I wasn't going to use any of those during Black Friday because obviously I wanted the 25% off and all the freebies that were coming with that. And if you use one on an order, for example, you have 500 Lux Bucks, and you can get a $20 off coupon, you can't combine it with anything else. So what I did was I had 1,500 Lux Bucks. So that would translate into 3 of 500 points, each worth $20. Well, you can't use more than one on an order. So what I did, I placed one order for this, and then I split everything else between 2 orders. One of the orders, I was only paying for shipping on it. And with shipping being $7, and that was on 3 orders, when I was done with the orders, I emailed customer service and asked them to combine my 3 orders, which they did, and they refunded me my shipping on 2 of them. So in addition to the $60 that I used in Lux Bucks, I got my $14 of shipping back, got all this at once, didn't have to have 3 black boxes to worry about. And I'm so happy with my order, and I'm so happy that I saved all that money. So if you'd like to enter the giveaway, I have something really nice. And all you have to do is be sure you're subscribed, like the video, be sure you're subscribed to my email list. And if you're not, there's a link below. It's very easy to subscribe, and you'll get a free printable when you subscribe to that. And then all you have to do is leave a comment below. I'd love to know if there was anything in this video that was very helpful to you. I'd like to know how you use your Lux Bucks, and if you have any ideas on saving money. So happy holidays to you all, and see you next time around.